Hi everyone. Now in today's video I'm going to talk about getting out of small spaces. There's a lot of times you'll be in a small space that you need to get out of. That'll be in bathrooms and lifts and small rooms like this and corridors. Now I'm going to demonstrate a couple of ways to turn around in a small space like this. In these examples I'm trying to turn around to get to the computer behind me. Now, one thing you can do is just turn around in the space. This involves deciding which way to go. You need to look at your surroundings first of all. So I'm better off turning to the left because there's more space on the left. And I'm looking out for any objects on the floor, which there isn't any. And any walls and things like that, because if you're in a closed space, what you're going to be looking for is walls, this desk, things like that, things that you might hit your elbows on while you're moving around. All looks good to me, so what I can do is, I've decided I'm turning left, so what I'm going to do is put my left hand at the front of the, in front of the wheel, and my right hand at the back, and what I do is move my left hand back and my right hand forward at the same time. So it just looks like this. So you can do it in two movements, or you can do it in one movement, like so. Just make sure that you're not hitting your elbows on anything and that you're not running anything over. Now if you find that the space is a little too small for you, for example if I move across here, if I try that and I decide to move left, and I put my left hand at the front, my right hand at the back, and then I turn, I basically hit this radiator. So what I can do is, instead of moving my right wheel, I can just move my left wheel and pin the right wheel, trying not to move it. So it's sort of a reverse manoeuvre. So what I'm doing is putting my left hand at the front, not moving the right one, and basically I'm reversing towards this desk, making sure that I don't hit my elbow on it. Then I can pin my left wheel and move my right in order to turn away like so, which gets me into the space quite nicely. And once I'm in this space, I can use the same manoeuvre to get out. So I'm pinning my right wheel, moving with my left, and I'm free to move forward. Now this second option, by pinning the wheel and moving around, is extra useful if you've got a wheelchair that has your legs come out quite far, or if you've got flippy up foot plates, that kind of chair. It's really useful for that. So I hope you found this helpful, and go and try it yourself.